I started going to Mountain Family about 9 years ago. I didn't have any health insurance. I was incredibly sick and I didn't know where to go. A friend of mine told me about Mountain Family and I pretty much just showed up there. I could barely walk. I had pneumonia. And they immediately took me in. They saw me, they helped me work out a payment plan, and there isn't anywhere else in this valley I would go. I have insurance now, which is great. I've thought about maybe looking at some other providers, but I don't want to go anywhere else. I love Mountain Family, and I like the fact that when I call, it sounds like they recognize me and they know who I am. I've never gone longer than 1 day without having my phone call returned, and it's usually by my doctor, if not her assistant. My doctor, Dr. Amy Brown, she remembers things about my life. When I go in to see her, we don't just talk about whatever's going on with me medically, we talk about what's going on with me personally, and I feel like I matter to her. Well, I've struggled with clinical depression since I was 18 years old. It's not anything I've ever been comfortable talking about. I hate to admit it, and part of what I love about Dr. Brown is that she helped me to realize it wasn't a personal weakness of mine, it was a physical condition. My body does not produce enough serotonin. And from talking with her and her counseling me, we were able to figure out the best medication for me, how much I needed, how long I needed to take it. I feel comfortable talking to her about it. She's never judged me or criticized me or told me I just need to suck it up. She understands that process in my brain and is very supportive and helps me out a lot with managing that. Amy never makes me feel like I'm putting her out or I'm inconveniencing her. She always makes it very clear that she's available to me in any way that I need her. I actually don't dread going to the doctor for the first time in my life, and I look forward to catching up with her and the rest of the staff. I like that when I have my blood drawn, and I don't enjoy that, they always make sure that a nurse stays there with me. And we just shoot the breeze. We don't talk about anything in particular, just what's going on with them, what's going on with me. I love that every employee there is an individual, that while they're all in uniforms, you can clearly see their personalities regardless of what they're wearing. And I feel comfortable there. I feel accepted there. I'm never embarrassed. I'm never tense about who's about to walk through the door and see me. And if Dr. Brown isn't available, I have no problem seeing any other doctor there. I'd like to thank Dr. Amy Brown for making me feel comfortable and accepted and never judging me, ever, regardless if I have bronchitis because I smoke or whatever is going on with me. She just genuinely wants to make me feel better, and I trust her implicitly, and I wouldn't want to go anywhere else.